Hi my lovely students, today we are going to learn about rolling and sliding. But before we begin with this video, let me tell you that I'm going to pause each video and I'm going to explain you. So that is not something a glitch or something, but I'm going to explain you in detail, okay? The first video, I just want you to observe in this video, students, which objects you feel are the ones which can roll and the ones which we can slide. ऐसे कौन से objects है जो आपको लगता है कि roll हो सकते हैं या फिर धक्का मार के slide हो सकते हैं. If you see in this video, there's a ball, there's a rectangular block. Oh my god, the ball can roll, and then there are so many objects. Now in this video there's a ball which is rolling, so we come to know as it turns round and round, it is rolling around, so ball can roll. Now in this object we have a rectangular block or a box which we push forward and it can slide down or it can slide ahead. Now there are two things, ball, a circular object can roll, and a rectangular or a square object which is flat in surface can slide.
Good.
We have drum, it is cylindrical in shape, it is flat on the side and it is circular. So if you place it circular, it can roll, but if you place it on the flatter side, it can slide. Then we have tyre. Tyre, if you place it in this position, it can roll. But if you observe, there are two flat sides as well. If you make it fall down. So we come to know different objects move differently. A circular object can roll, a flat object can slide down. Some objects can roll and slide both, like I showed you the drum. It can roll and slide, and same goes with the tyre. It can roll and slide. Now imagine, look at this suitcase, okay? Imagine this red suitcase has no wheels. Let's imagine, okay? And maybe the other suitcase has wheels. So tell me which suitcase will be it easier to move? The one with the red suitcase which has no wheels, it will be difficult. But the blue one with wheels will be easier to move. Now students, I want you to put down in the comments which objects in the video rolls and which objects can slide. So I'll be waiting for your comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope you've understood this short concept about rolling and sliding. Thanks for watching.